Okay, welcome back to my 10 minutes Python series. So today, this is the fourth video and we'll be doing on variables. So this thing known as variables. So what are variables? Okay, so variables is what you have learned in maths. For example, we always say that let x be 5. Okay, that is a variable. So x holds 5, the item number 5. Okay, so then we can say that y is equals to x times x. So what does y hold? Y actually holds 25. Okay. So these are variables. So we also can use variables, for example, z or equals to 15. So then we can use it to perform some form of mathematical operation. For example, we can say that x plus y, x plus y divided by z. Okay, so x plus y divided by z. Okay, because here we have to make sure that the order makes, now we will take x, y divided by z first. So we want to have x plus y. So it will be 25 plus 25. So it will be 30 divided by 15. We should get a 2.0. Okay, so we can actually use things like this. These are all variables. Variables can also hold strings. Okay, for example, I can say my name equals to Morris Link. Okay, so what is in my name? In fact, in your Spider, you can go to this view called Variable Explorer. Okay, and you can see that all the values for the variables are actually inside here. Okay, what are the data types as well? Okay, you can move around and see what happens. Okay, so let's say if I have, for example, I can even have x1. x1 equals to 4. Now you have x1 equals to 4. x2 equals to 8. Okay, x1, okay, x3 equals to x1 plus x2. So we expect it to be 12. So now we have 12 and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, what are the variable names have a certain convention? So variable names are case sensitive. So x is not the same as capital X. So it can be quite misleading here, especially for alphabets, for example, like Z and Z. Okay, these two are different. So let's say if I mistype, I say that capital X. Okay, you tell me that X is not defined because this is small x. This is small x, this is capital X. Okay, so it is case sensitive. The next thing is variables cannot start with a number. So I cannot say that 2x equals to 10. You'll give me an error, called a syntax error. Okay, so if I forcefully want to have a number, what I can do is I have to put an underscore in front. Underscore. Okay, underscore makes it a character. Okay, then I have underscore of 2x, that gives me 10. Okay, when we use underscore, there is a meaning to that. It is not a syntax meaning, it's more of a schematic meaning. Okay, so that's why it will not show up in the variable explorer. Okay, now it can also be as long as you want. Okay, for example, I will type in something. Let's say I have all my characters. You can be as long as you want, but obviously you're going to have spelling errors. Okay, so for example, I can say that good. Sum of sales today equals 450. Now it's actually harder to read. For my personal benefit, usually I can have it as use underscore to actually break up the words. That can work as well. Or another way is what I call as what we generally call as camel case. So you capitalize every word or every, yeah. So it actually helps you. So there are a lot of conventions. Please use one of the conventions. Essentially, you can actually do whatever you want with variables for now on. Okay, so we have covered variables. At least what are the rules for variables? It must start off with an alphabet or an underscore. Okay, you cannot start variables with even a full stop. It doesn't work. Okay, you cannot start with a number. You cannot start off with, let's say, exclamation. It doesn't work as well. So keep trying and see what variables can work, what variables can't work, and then you can use it to structure your mathematical operations and so on. All right, so that's all for variables today. Thank you very much. See you again soon.